Hey everyone, we made it to the Grand, a day late, but we finally made it. So I wanted to show everybody our Roundoval because, well, everybody wanted to see it. So I'm going to take a walk through real quick. And they have everything set up perfectly. We have our own bar area, seating area. Don't mind the mess because we just got here. And the bed is just fantastic. It's got a nice chandelier up here, ceiling fans. It's got a nice sitting area for the television. They had fruit set up for us here and also a bottle of champagne. We have a big screen television. And back here, this is Tim's side of the bed. Everybody knows what a CPAP machine is. We have lots of closet space, storage, all that. And we have a large tub and a walk-in shower. We also have a door in the shower that goes to the outside where there's an outdoor shower. We also have a running hot tub. And we have our own pool and our own lounge chairs. And we have a hammock. So that's what a Roundoval looks like at the Sandals Grande St. Lucian.
I gotta get things done with the music.